get calls every day from way off yonder, Florida, Alaska, California, and what we do, we'll ship anywhere in the country. How that works is we agree to a price after you have decided what you want to purchase. We agree to a price, and then we lock that in. So then you would send us a money order or a bank check or a personal check. Now, the bank check and the money order we ship right away. But if it's a personal check, we wait 10 to 12 days to make sure the check clears, and then we'll ship the product right to their address. And we ship by U.S. Postal Service, so it's shipped registered and insured, so that, and then we have a way, through the Postal Service to follow up if anything would get lost. But we haven't had, I think in the 29 years, I've only had one situation of where it was lost in the mail, which is pretty good for the Postal Service.